It's the mod of the Oculus Quest 2. For this we used a 3D printed clips. Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are going to look at the FrankenQuest 2. It's the mod of the Oculus Quest 2 with the HTC Deluxe audio strap. So as you can see, this is the mod. For this we used a 3D printed clips that kind of gets on top of the original clips for the Oculus Quest 2, and it gets stuck very firmly. You can take it out from here like this and from here like this, and also replace with the original ones that come with the small rubbery type strap. However, this gets the Quest very comfortable, and as you can see, the 3D printing casing looks a lot better too. We cut it out from here to easily remove it from the specific attachment here and here, so that we can replace it whenever we need to, if we want. And also we have 3D printed this part. We actually don't have a 3D printer. We used a third-party service that provides us the printing. We provide them with the designs from the website, and they gave us the printed models, and this actually works really great, and the weight distribution gets improved too. The comfort of course gets improved, and the whole adjusting side thing is also working, as you can see here. So we have done this for using the Quest 2 for longer periods of time, and we also have done another cool trick with the controllers to enjoy them as the concept of the index controllers like this. The protective belt that comes with the Quest 2, we just velcroed some clips here, and we took that inside here, and from that we can get some extra support like this, and it gives us the feeling of the index controllers like this. You can use it the way that in some way we can tighten it or even lose it like this. Yeah, and it's better from the original strap. It gets very sturdy, and however it's a bit clunky, but it works in some way, and we have done that for both of the controllers, and they gives us some support in, as we really love the knuckle type controllers from the original Quest 1 controllers. We have the mod, the grip mod for those controllers, but the controllers of the Quest 2 is a bit round and a bit different, so we thought of this for now. Before we might be able to go to some mod for these controllers too, but for now we are working with this one, a homemade mod. So that's it for this video. We just wanted to introduce you to the Oculus Quest 2 FrankenQuest version of it, and a small mod or hack for the Quest controllers. Here we can adjust it like this too, to get it further and it's kind of close to the knuckles, or even further from the knuckles like this. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. We will be comparing the Quest 2 FrankenQuest with the Quest 1 FrankenQuest in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you. Have a great day.